folks! Welcome back to our channel Auto Rev. Today, we've got something exciting in store for all you Toyota Tacoma enthusiasts out there. Toyota has rebuilt a Splendor from the Tacoma series. Re-engineered from the start, now the new Toyota Tacoma is more powerful. First up, let's talk about the exterior design of the 2024 Toyota Tacoma. Toyota has taken this rugged, iconic truck to the next level with some stunning updates. The front grille is now more imposing, giving it that bold, aggressive look. LED headlights and fog lights not only improve visibility, but also add a touch of modernity. Moving to the side, you'll notice the robust wheel arches. That house, a range of wheel options. The bed remains practical and spacious, perfect for all your hauling needs. Overall, the Tacoma maintains its rugged charm while embracing a more modern, sophisticated aesthetic. Now, let's pop the hood and see what powers this beast. The 2024 Toyota Tacoma comes with standard IFOR CE turbocharged 2.4-liter. 4-cylinder engine produces up to 278 horsepower, 317 lb-ft of torque. And available IFOR CEMA X turbocharged 2.4-liter. 4-cylinder combined hybrid powertrain produces 326 horsepower and 465 lb-ft of torque. Whether you're hitting the trails or towing heavy loads, stepping inside the 2024 Tacoma, you'll find a cabin designed for both comfort and functionality. The materials used are of high quality, giving the interior a premium feel. Depending on the trim, you can enjoy features like a user-friendly infotainment system, comfortable seats, and a spacious interior. The touchscreen infotainment system is easy to use and comes equipped with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, ensuring you stay connected while on the road. So, there you have it, folks, the 2024 Toyota Tacoma, a truck that combines rugged reliability with modern features. See you in the next video, hopefully useful. And thank you for being with us.